Hi, my name is Mike Mayer, owner of My Hearing Loop in Platteville, Wisconsin. Hearing loops are an amazing new form of hearing assistance. When a person speaks into a microphone, the sound of their voice goes into a magnetic field in a room. The audio connects wirelessly with hearing aids or cochlear implants. Better yet, annoying background noise is greatly diminished or eliminated entirely.
Last year, when we opened our new clinic building for High Point Family Medicine in Lancaster, we included a hearing loop when I can speak in a normal voice, or one of my nurses or staff can speak in their normal voice and be close to the patient, be clearly understood. It makes for better communication, and it makes for a less likelihood of things being overheard that are private or personal in nature.
My Hearing Loop certifies your installation to meet a critical global standard. Wherever you travel around the globe, look for the ear logo sign with a capital T. Please call us or visit our website today to learn more.